Hello friends of love nature. Today I have brought a very interesting topic of this bel patra. I don't know, all of you might be knowing this leaves is considered auspicious, and this 1 2 3 defines Trinity Brahma Vishnu Maheshwar. We use it on a regular basis to Shivling on Monday. If you put this Belpatra on the Shivling, it gives us blessings. So this is how we used to collect on Sunday itself, so that we can use it on Monday. It has a very medicinal properties. In India, we worship this plant. On every Hindu house, at least you will get a bilva tree, and this is called apple wood in English, apple wood tree, and tulsi plant in every Hindu house. It is very auspicious. So today I have collected, since today is Sunday, for the pujas of tomorrow, and I have shown you these are all the plucks of my garden today. I have made a different video what are the collection I have. So this you have to put this Billapatra to Shivlinga on Monday, to a count of 11 or 7 or whatever it's the odd number that you must put. Place the chandan paste on it and just apply. Isn't this leaves very beautiful? Do share your comment and kindly subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you so much for watching.